Shako Mako, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I rigged the Sony A7RV for a video shoot. So stay tuned. You may be wondering why the Sony A7RV. Well, it's very underrated when it comes to video. Yes, it's a beast when it comes to photo, but it's also a monster when it comes to video, if you know how to shoot and get the right settings on. And of course, adding a few features and a few tools to it will help a lot. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the cage. It's from Tilta. It's designed specifically for Sony A7R5, so it fits perfectly. And it also had this little notch or door, so you can replace the battery without taking the cage out. That's very cool. And it also comes with this magnetic kind of like screwdriver if you want to take it off or on. But once you put it on, I don't think you're going to take it off. It's very cool, very nice. And it comes with this bar, which is going to show you what you're going to do with it. The second thing we need is a left grip. And my choice was this one. It's wood and black, so it's very nice. And it's very ergonomic as well. So we're going to attach it and show how it looks. Okay, now that it's been attached, it feels very good, very solid. And it's also give you another hood shoe. Of course, it doesn't have any connection to it, so it just a mount at this point. But I mean, it feels very good. And the third thing, well, we're gonna need a top handle. And my choice, just to match this, it's also a wood and black. I think it looks very nice at this point. Holding it like this, and you'll see in a moment why I have it on the right side, because we're gonna need a monitor. So let's get the mount for the monitor. Okay, well, this is just the mount. Now for the monitor. And for monitor, I'm going to be using my Sony A7R5. The reason why, because it has a feature that it's an external monitor. So, and it also has the camera, so I can use it as a monitor or to record some footage. Okay, we're getting very close. So the next thing, which is, let's connect the lens just so it can be not front heavy, and I can just place it because it's getting a little bit heavy and it's leaning forward. So for a lens, I'm gonna use this lens. Of course, this is my fun lens. It's the Sony 18250. It's a crop sensor lens, APS-C, but I really enjoy shooting with this lens. And of course, I have the LAEA5 connected to it, so it's good for the autofocus only work with photos. So with videos, I'm having to use it as a manual lens, but that's not very bad because it's nice. It's gonna give you a little bit of noise, but because usually I use my 2470 2.8, but I'm using it right now to shoot the video, so this is just a placeholder, but it looks very cool. And one more thing, which is it's very important when you're shooting on the Sony A7R5, because it doesn't have an internal fan, it's the external fan, which is this one. This one is from Ulanzi, and it really helps. It has 2 levels of fan capability. So you turn it on, you attach it like it's simple. It's by a spring, and turn it on. Now it's on the first level. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's very close to the mic. And this is the second level. So this is as loud as it can be. And one last thing, and this one is optional. And I don't put it a lot, but sometimes I need it at night, which is an external light. So this one is also from Ulanzi. It's the Cube, and it's plenty powerful. So I attach it to this ball head, and it goes on the grip. And this is my entire setup. Well, let me turn it on, just show you how powerful it is. It has 4 levels, I think. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So this is the brightest. It's very cool. Just adds up that little extra. Okay, now there is one thing missing, which is mic. So I usually use the DJI mic mini, but since I'm using it to record the audio for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna use the Godex. So this is usually where it goes on the left side, and this one would goes over here and connected, of course, with a cable to the camera. But that's about it. So this is what works for me. On top of it looking very cool, it got everything I need. So it got the cage, it got the left hand grip, it got the top handle, the monitor, an extra light, the mic, and on top of all that, and the most important piece is the fan, because Sony A7R5 tend to get overheat faster than a dedicated video camera like the FX3 or 30. So you definitely need the fan. If there is one thing you would change about this rig, what would it be? And let me know if it works for you or not. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And until next time, keep exploring and keep shooting.